for our feature for Trinity kasama sa Jollibee. And of course, ang ating celebrant. Already mga smaller po, nasa harapan.
Ay, picture lang!
Dili ma.
Hailey! Po kami!
Alright, compress po tayo kids. Sit down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile. Kids, for our next start po ng friends, ni Mami Lane, ayan. Mga friends po ni Mami Lane. Lahat po ng friends ni Mami Lane kayo on stage. Alright, ready? Ace, pinta sa camera, ready? Ayan din po lahat po ng friends ni Mami Lane. One, two, three, smile.
Madalim mo, madalim. Pause.
Okay, one more time po. Ready? 1, 2, 3, walk it. Alright, for our last picture, lahat po ng family side ni Mami Lane. Kaya po na po tayo sa harapan. Okay, last picture na po. Family side po ni Mami Lane. One, two, three, smile. Alright, thank you so much. Alright. Okay, one more time po. Walk it out po. Ready? 1, 2, 3, walking. Alright, thank you so much. And now, let's proceed to the most awaiting part of this event, which is our candle of loving.
Hindi na ako nang paglinis, ibigay dumating si Jollibee.
Alright, and now I encourage everyone to please stand up. Tayo po tayong lahat. Ayan, sige po, tayo po tayong lahat sa gitawang po. Ayan yung mga nasa dulo dulo po. Tayo po tayo saglit. Okay, picture po. Ready? Ayan, sige po. Tayo po tayo lahat sa lamang po. Okay, smile. Alright, and now, my gosh, everyone, to sing with me a Jonas song for Sam and Ace. And 1, 2, 3. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Alright, one more time. Isang mabilis at masigla naman. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday to you. Alright, one more time. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday to you. Surely at the ball of our birthday 7, Sam and Ace for reaching your age. You may now make a wish and blow your candle. 1, 2, 3. Alright, happy birthday, Sam and Ace. Jolly birthday. Jolly birthday. Alright, everyone, thank you so much. You may now take your seat. Alright, on behalf of Sam and Ace, Mami Lane, pwede mo namin marinig ang inyong wish for Sam and Ace. Ito yung message po natin sa ating mga guests.
Happy birthday. Sana lumaki kayo magkaya at mabait. Sana huwag bawas-bawasan yung pagiging makulit ha. Huwag siya pa matigas sa ulan. I love you. Thank you po sa lahat po na pumunta ngayon. Tapos thank you din po sa Matina na nag-sponsor po ng birthday po ng anak. Thank you din po sa mga staff. Thank you po. Thank you din sa
Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin si Mommy. Alright, once again, thank you to experience the happiest place to be. A Jolly's Party. We hope we need to continuously give all of your fun and excitement for your future celebration. Alright, once again, happy birthday, Sam and Ace.